Hi, how are you?
Hello, I'm fine. How about you?
I'm not bad. What's your name?
I'm Anna. What's your name?
My name's Tom. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from the United States. How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have two siblings.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to play the guitar, such as reading or playing sports.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat named Whiskers.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English and Spanish.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is science.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love to travel and explore new places.
What is your dream job?
My dream job is to be a photographer.
Do you enjoy watching movies?
Yes, I enjoy watching movies, especially action films.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is autumn.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I am a night owl.
What type of music do you like?
I like rock music.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy painting and gardening.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is To Kill a Mockingbird.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is soccer.
What are your plans for the future?
I plan to attend college and pursue a career in computer science.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I enjoy traveling.
What should I do now?
It's time to go to sleep now.
What do you want?
I want to be your wife.
Do I need to study?
You need to study a lot for better results.
What does Zara do?
She's a teacher.
Do ghosts really exist?
Yes, there are ghosts in that room.
What does your father do?
My dad works in banking.
Why are you asking me?
Because he lies.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Are you afraid of snakes?
Yes, I'm very afraid of snakes.
Do you think I'm crazy?
No, you're very handsome.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I got a new car.
Do you know him?
Yes, he's my grandfather.
Do you have a ticket?
No, I'm going to buy a ticket.
Do you like surfing?
Yes, I love surfing.
Do you love me?
Yes, I love you a lot.
Do you think I'm fat?
No, you're so charming.
Do you play soccer?
Yes, I play soccer every day.
Do you smoke?
No, I don't like smoking.
Can you hear me?
I didn't catch that. Could you repeat?
Can you speak English?
I know a little, but not very well.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I love having pets.
Are you familiar with us?
Yes, you're Zara's cousin.
What do you have?
I have a good amount of money.
Do you give to charity?
Yes, I love to donate.
Why did she do that?
Because he's angry.
Do you need this book?
Yes, I am requesting this book.
When do you study?
I study every afternoon.
Do you like rap music?
Yes, I love rap music.
Do you have a family?
Yes, I have a small family.
Do you have a boyfriend?
No, I haven't. Will you be my boyfriend?
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Do you drink coffee?
I enjoy drinking coffee.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
Do you have blankets?
No, but I need a blanket.
Do you know that hotel?
I'm sorry, I don't.
Do you have a tattoo?
No, I don't like tattoos.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, I have a fever of 104 degrees Fahrenheit.
Do you enjoy playing tennis?
Yes, I'm good at tennis.
Do you like music?
I really enjoy music.
Do you think I'm ugly?
No, you're very attractive.
Do you want money?
Yes, I want money for shopping.
What do you need?
I really need your help.